Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today this video is like a small vlog where we are just going on a long drive with Oscar today, and it's going to be with a lot of adventure because Oscar is very notorious. Let's see, he wants the entire family together every second around him, so let's go together, guys. So, guys, we are almost at Marine Drive. Today is Sunday, so you see a lot of crowd at Marine Drive. It gets too overwhelming to see that there are a lot of people usually every time at Marine Drive. You don't get to enjoy the essence of Marine Drive anymore, but it's okay. Everybody wants to see the beautiful place, so I really can't make comments on that. Here's Oscar acting all curious and wanting to know more. So Oscar made a lot of friends at Marine Drive. He was really very happy. There were a lot of girls who walked up to him and pampered him, and he was enjoying all the attention that he was getting. As you know, or you are new to my channel, Oscar is our family member. He's a golden retriever. He's not very fond of dogs, but he's very fond of females and males. So he is very interesting, and taking him out was so much of a fun today for us because he's watching each and every one, and he was there, and people were coming and asking us, can we click pictures with him? And it was so funny that he would just pose for like few seconds and walk away like, too much of pictures, please don't take of mine. But it was so entertaining to see him do that, and everybody showered a lot of love to him, so it was so nice. If you're new here to my channel, I make videos on my lifestyle, product reviews, and sometimes vlogs about my travel. A lot also about travel and places, and you will get to see what my family does. They are normally a very fun loving people to see. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and also like the video if you like my content. As you see, my family is royally posing, and now we enter the beach. So Oscar usually hates water. He doesn't like to swim, he doesn't like to have bath, and he hates water. So he's so scared, and we're just trying to make him enjoy going in the water. When we have gone to the villa also earlier, he hated water there and he was paranoid and behaving mad. He doesn't even like to have bath. If we say Oscar will make nai nai, he runs away and hides in the corner. So as you see, he's facing the back of the sea so that he doesn't wants to go in the water, and we want him to enjoy some time in the water. So slowly we're making him step in the water, like take baby steps.
Osisi, you have a friend here, no? Osisi, उसका नाम क्या है? Ashita is your friend, or she? This is calling you.
Full 1 kilometer.
Ashita.
I left him.
Osi.
We had quickly gone to have snacks like chaat and have cola, and we can't take Oscar there at the Chopati food counter. That's because he would ask for food. So we kept him with Macwin, and he was almost running around searching us as if he's lost. And now you see what he's doing.
हाँ
अरे तू उसने कहा तो खा लिया इसने
Now we're heading back home after a tiring day. So you will see this video in two parts. One is when we took Oscar all the way to Marine Drive at Chopati Beach, and the other is when he went to Bandra, Mount Mary's church. So you will see the two parts of Oscar enjoying his long drive in two of the different places in Mumbai.
US has called for some time. We'll go to his house.
Where is his house?
Near down the road.
अरे
This is how Oscar's fun filled 2 days of long drive came. I will surely shoot more videos when we take him out. And I hope you like the content. Just before you go, don't forget to subscribe, look at his cute face, and hit the bell icon and also the like button. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate that. And thank you for being a part of my family to watch all of these videos. Thank you so much, guys.